What's up, guys? John from johnmcneil.com here, and I just wanted to pop out here just for a brief minute. This won't be a long video at all, and I wanted to talk about just starting from scratch. Now, a lot of you have been online for a length of time. Maybe you've been, struggling with your affiliate marketing business and you haven't been able to make any money online, or you haven't been able to make any consistent money online. So one thing that I do in my business is periodically, as I'm working on different projects or I'm trying to do different things within my business, I go back and I really kind of look at what I'm doing and I think about to myself, is this really working? Is this effective? Is this productive? Is this making me money, right? So sometimes I'll have funnels that I may be promoting, I may be testing out, and I keep testing it and I keep testing it, but for some reason it's not converting. It's not making the money that it should be making. And if it is making me money, it's not making me a profit, right? So I'm spending more money on the testing portion of it and it's not really making me a profit. And what I really want to get you guys to see here in this video is sometimes you really have to look at your business or your sales funnel or whatever you're doing currently. Maybe you're trying to do some sort of strategy that it's just not working, right? It's just not working. You've been at it for a while. You've been trying to figure it out and it's just not working. It's not making you money and you just have to blow it up sometimes. Sometimes you have to blow it up and just start from scratch, because ideally what you really want to do is you want to focus all your time, all your attention on things that are going to be producing you a profit, right? A profit. So what it boils down to is, what I feel that you need to do is you need to first and foremost blow it up, right? And just start over. Because it's not working. If you've been spinning your wheels, if you've been promoting a sales funnel, promoting a biz op, or promoting an MLM, and it's not working, you've given it a good go, it's not working, blow it up, and let's just start from scratch. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to get an actual sales funnel that is going to convert for you. So what I mean by that is the squeeze page is going to be high converting. The offers within the funnel are going to be converting. That means you're going to be making sales, ongoing sales. You want to have good follow-up sequences in your email or marketing campaign so that you can make additional sales as people get your emails. And like those three things alone, you have to really focus on, and you want to make sure that that is profitable. So again, let me reiterate that the first thing you want to do is get a profitable funnel created. So from the squeeze page to the offers to the email marketing campaign, you want to make sure that those three things are solid and you're actually going to be making money from it. And then once you know that your funnel is converting, you can actually really throw a whole lot of traffic at it. Obviously, initially you're going to have to either pay for some traffic to test the funnel out, or you're going to have to use free traffic strategies to test the funnel out. Obviously, it may take you a little bit longer if you're using free traffic strategies, but you want to test it out. And once you see that the funnel is converting and it's converting at a profit, then you can actually kind of scale up and you can throw Facebook ads and YouTube ads and solo ads and all of this money at it, and you can scale it because you know that it is profiting. So right now, if you look at your business and you don't have a funnel right now that is creating you a profit, that means if you spend $50 on your funnel and you're not making at least $100, that means you don't have a converting funnel. You want to get to the point where you could put in, $20 and make $40, $50 and make $100. You want to double your money, or at least profit, right? Even if you're not doubling, you want to at least profit. Even if it's, not a huge profit, you want to make a profit. And then once you have a profit, it's working, then you can actually scale up from there. So think to yourself, guys, look at your business, look at what you're promoting, look at your sales funnels. And if it's not profiting you and you've been at it for a while, consider blowing it up and just starting from scratch. Now, one thing I want to add, once you find that funnel that is profiting, you are going to want to create a brand for yourself. You want to create a following for yourself. So while you're making money with your funnel, that's great. And then you want to keep throwing money at that and scaling it up, right? You want to scale that up. So while you're making money with your funnel, you want to be building yourself an audience, an organic audience. And you can do that by, having a YouTube channel, by having a blog, by doing Instagram or doing Facebook group, whatever the case may be. You want to start creating an audience. And the two of those things together, having that high converting sales funnel that's making you money, and then creating that audience and building influence, and you mesh the two of those together, it's just going to elevate your business to another level. You're going to make a whole lot more money. You're going to have a whole lot more eyeballs and people that know, like, and trust you. They're going to be buying a lot more of your products and services that you recommend. And it's just going to take you to another level, to another level, to another level. So that's what I would suggest for you guys. And again, this wasn't going to be a long video. I hope you guys got the message in that sometimes you got to just blow it up and start from scratch. This is John from JohnMcNeil.com.